Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to TickTick.com, or if you prefer, you can use the mobile app. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials to access your dashboard. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to the configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your TickTick experience. Once you click on Settings, a new window will open up on your screen. This is where you'll find all the different settings categories available in TickTick. On the left side of this window, you'll notice a sidebar with several menu options listed vertically. Look for and click on Notifications. This section controls how and when TickTick sends you reminders and alerts, so it's essential for staying on top of your tasks. Now, within the notifications section, you'll see an option labeled Daily Notifications. This feature sends you a summary of your tasks at a specific time each day, helping you stay organized and plan ahead. If you want to enable this, simply click the toggle switch that's positioned right beside it. When activated, the toggle will change color or position, indicating that daily notifications are now turned on. Just below the daily notifications option, you'll find daily alert time. This setting allows you to choose exactly when you want to receive your daily notification. To adjust this, click on the time displayed right beside it. A list of available times will appear, and you can scroll through and select your preferred time from the options provided. This customization ensures you receive notifications when they're most useful to you. Further down, you'll see an option called Web Reminder. This feature enables browser notifications so you can receive alerts even when you're not actively using the TickTick app. If you'd like to turn this on, click the toggle switch right beside it to enable it. This ensures you won't miss important reminders while you're working on other tasks in your browser. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your notification settings in TickTick, ensuring you stay informed about your tasks and deadlines. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.